Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will do HIT plus cardio workout. It is a no equipment workout, burns at least 500 calories, and I hope you are having a good time, and I hope you enjoyed my previous series that was a drop a dress size challenge. If you have not looked at it, then please check the links in description box. So let's get started with the warm up. So I'll warm up with 1 minute of jogging on the place starting now. Keep on doing. Good. Good. Keep on doing. Half of minute is gone. Good. 15 seconds are left. Keep on doing. 10 seconds. And you are done. Followed by some dynamic jumps. I'll tell you how to do it. Right feet forward and jump up like this. Okay? Right feet forward and jump up. Let's do 10 on each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change of leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Followed by basic butt kicks like this and punch for 20 seconds. Starting now. Keep on doing. Keep on doing. Ending soon. 10 seconds are left. Good. It's done now. Great job. Followed by some dynamic squats or jump squats like this. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, you did great. Now, for the next exercise, I'll come to mat and do some basic push-ups. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now switching to belly. Dynamic leg pulse. Hand behind your pelvic. Now lift your leg up and pulse it like this for 30 seconds. Starting now. Keep on doing. Good job. Keep on doing. Ending soon. And relax. Great job. From this position only, we will do leg extend. Single leg extend for 10 times like this. Okay. So let's do it for 10 repetition on right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Changing of leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Changing of side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Changing of side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Get up to plank position. We will do some mountain climbers. Now, let's hit 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Let's take a break of 30 seconds sitting like this only. This position is very good. It improves the digestion as well. And please follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. My Instagram ID is Fitness by Dipali and my Facebook ID is Health and Fitness Tips by Dipali. So, extend, push yourself up to downward dog. Doing it for 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Holding it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up. So, I hope you are also doing well. I am almost very sweaty. So now we will do some basics or easy burpees. It is a full body movement. We will do 5 on right side and 5 on left side. That means start with the right leg and end with the left. Then we will do end with the left and start with the left leg and end with the right leg. Starting with, I will do that alternatively. Right, up, left. Great job. 2, 3, 4, 5, Ending with the left. Great job. Followed by side to side lunges. Position. Right. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. So backward lunges. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now let's arrange a bit. Now dynamic jumps one more time. 1, 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switching side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Followed by 1 minute of jogging. Starting now. Great job. It should be a little fast. Keep on doing. Keep on doing. Almost there. Keep on doing. Great job. Almost reaching to our target. So great job. This was all in this workout. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.